Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today for my favorite video ever to film on YouTube. Well, second favorite. My very first favorite was when I was unboxing my Jackie's Chocolate Fall October 2020 box. That was the best chocolate I think I've ever tasted in my entire life, and now we're gonna try even more chocolatey items from Jackie's Chocolate. I am so beyond excited that I can sit here and film these videos for you guys. I do want to mention that they did send this to me for free for review. They really did enjoy my last video, which I enjoyed it too, if you couldn't tell. So they offered to send some more stuff for me to taste test and let you guys know about. I'm so beyond excited and I cannot wait to get into it. So I'm just going to keep this short, simple, and sweet like chocolate and get to the point of the video, which is eating the candy and whatnot. And I am just so excited. Anyways, if you guys are enjoying these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you are already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Now I do want to mention really quick that I do have a giveaway going on right now. If you guys would like to enter, if you haven't already, I will have it linked at the top of my description. Here we have some goodies from Jackie's Chocolate, magnets, stickers, and whatnot, which we've already read the card before, so I'm not going to read it again on this video. So it says, Connor, thanks again for taking the time to create these videos. They're so fun to watch with a smiley face. You can link our fall treats here, which I will have the fall collection of treats linked below for you guys. Also, your audience can use the code YouTube at checkout and save $10 off their first order. Now, as I said on the last video that I've done for Jackie's Chocolate, this is a subscription box company with chocolate. Also, they do sell individual bags of so many goodies, just like what you see behind me. They have so much stuff, like so much stuff. I will have their website linked below for sure. Go check it out. This is going to be something that I would say 100% perfect for Christmas gifts. You guys, when you give gifts for Christmas and for the holidays, you always want to do chocolate because that chocolate just brings people together. It brings joy, it brings happiness, and I'm just so excited about chocolate. I would love to receive chocolate for Christmas, so this is going to be a great gift. Also, you could gift the subscription boxes to them. You could do like a 1 month only or a 3 month, 6 month, a year. That would be the most joyful thing, and the chocolates switch up for like the season, so I just want you guys to know that. So what we're going to be trying today is caramel apple fudge, and it says there's literally chunks of apple in it. So good. I'll be the judge of that. And then pumpkin spice bark, pumpkin spice malt balls, which I think would be so good if you put those into like a milkshake. If you make milkshakes at home, I say throw those pumpkin spice malt balls in there and it would be a treat. Chocolate covered candy corn. Now I know there's some controversy about candy corn and people are like, I love it, and throw it in the trash, but candy corn and me are best friends. I love candy corn. And then the pumpkin mellow cream candies, which I love. Those are like my mom's favorite. So thank you so much, Kevin, for sending this over. I can't wait to eat this candy so much. I cannot wait. So we're going to go ahead and try something that I know I'm going to love. This is the chocolate covered candy corn. As you can tell, it's not all chocolate covered, but like, yeah, I'm just, okay. Let's go. So excited. And it smells good. So, you know what? Let's just taste test the candy corn first. The candy corn is actually good. I think the problem that people have with candy corn is they go to the dollar store and get the cheap, nasty candy corn brands, because this is like really good. Yeah, this doesn't taste like I went to the dollar store and got some candy corn whatsoever. Like, this is some good candy corn. Okay, the chocolate covered candy corn. It's so good. It tastes like that milk chocolate that is like on all the other candies that I've tried that come in like the boxes. I'll have the other video linked below. It was the October box, but this is that same yummy milk chocolate on top. You almost can't even taste the candy corn almost, but like it's so good I'm gonna cry. There's so much in here too. Like, there's so much. And this doesn't taste like cheap candy corn either, which makes me so incredibly happy. That's so good. We're gonna try the pumpkin mellow cream candies, which are my mom's favorite. I'm so excited. These are actually really, really good too. And I'm wondering if these are also gonna be even better than the normal, like you go to Walmart or the dollar store and get these candies. Like, these taste so good. The little pumpkin. I just want to say, I hope that nobody is jealous right now that I'm eating amazing chocolate and candies and you're not, because you can totally go buy these down below and experience the same party that I'm having in my mouth right now. These are so good. Like, I'm not kidding. These taste like really good. Like, they are not the nasty ones that you get from the store. These are like quality. So good. Pumpkin spice malt balls. So excited about these. These are so good. These are exquisite. These are so good. I love my life. I'm literally gonna go to my mom's house before I go pick up my son from school and let her try these, because I just want her to try these so much. Now we're gonna try the pumpkin spice bark. Oh, I'm so excited. And that pumpkin spice flavor, those malt balls, it tastes so good in your mouth after the fact. Like, Okay, here's what it looks like, you guys. Yummy, yummy. Like, it's not too sweet to where you like eat a few bites and you don't want it anymore. This is like the perfect amount of sweet that it's almost dangerous, because you will eat the entire thing because it's not over sweet. Which I do want to mention that if you're like diabetic or anything like that, you don't like really the sweetness, or if you can't do sugar, they do have sugar-free options. They have sugar-free subscription boxes for the candies. They have dark chocolate, the milk chocolate. They have white chocolate. Good. Now the old-fashioned caramel apple fudge with real chunks of apple. I'm excited to get this open. Okay, you guys, the reveal time for the fudge. Oh, it smells so good. Look at this fudge. Like, fudge takes like a week to make. Oh, it smells so good. Like, look at the chunks of apple and like the caramel. Oh, tell me that is not going to freaking knock your socks off. I'm just gonna grab a bit. I should have brought like a knife in here, but like I wasn't like pre-planning that, so we're just gonna pull a chunk off. The caramel. Okay, well, let's just take a bite. I'm gonna cry. I really feel like I'm gonna cry, because like a chocolate and the fudge and everything is just so good. Like, I've never had anything like this that tastes so good. Like, even the candy corn. Like, I have never had candy corn taste that good. And I'm not over exaggerating. Like, I want you guys to believe me, but you can't because you're not tasting it with me. But it's literally like the best I've ever had in my entire life. Use code YouTube at checkout and get $10 off your order. Also, I don't make any money off this code. It's just for you to save 10 bucks. But like, I highly recommend all of that. But if you only were gonna pick one thing, if you don't get that caramel apple fudge, you're missing out. They said so good. Right here, it's on paper. Right here, so good. He was Kevin, will you be my best friend? Kevin. You're the man. You're the bomb. Oh, man. All right. Well, thank you, Kevin, for that. I cannot wait to eat all of this candy. It only took 2 days for the box of chocolates to go. So imagine how long it's gonna take. There's a lot of this stuff in here. All this was 6 pounds, okay? All this was 6 pounds. There's so much. I'm going to have it linked below. Go check it out. Get a gift for yourself. Give a gift for Christmas. I know a lot of people do like the going to Walmart and getting like the gift sets of chocolate and the gift sets of like slicing the meat and the cheese. No. Go to Jackie's Chocolate and give them this, okay? Give this to yourself. Save $10 with code YouTube. Thank me in the comments, because I know you will. And enjoy. making other people happy and yourself if you get this for yourself. Like, I know this is a little bit of like an extra, really like pumping out this chocolate, like buy this chocolate, but like I don't make videos like this where I'm like buy something, especially like all the makeup I do on this channel. I don't just say buy this, but if you don't buy this and try this, then I feel like nobody else is experiencing the same thing as I am, and it's almost a crime. It's almost a crime. All right, well, I'm gonna leave it at that. If you guys try Jackie's chocolates and you make a purchase, let me know down below. Let me know when you get your order. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Do you like it? Am I over here over exaggerating? Because I know I'm not, okay? This is some good stuff, okay? Love it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Big thanks to Kevin for sending this my way and making me the happiest girl on YouTube. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!